Everyone's using ChatGPT to write emails or maybe brainstorm ideas. But what if I told you that's just scratching the surface? And yeah, I'm not talking about those advanced and complex stuff that even confuse expert engineers. Today, I'm dropping 10 next-level ways to use ChatGPT that will literally change how you live, work, learn, and think. These aren't your basic summarize this article tips. These are power user hacks. And trust me, number 7 will blow your mind. Number 1. ChatGPT is a personal decision maker. It actually reasons like a human. You know those times when you're stuck between 2 job offers, or you're debating moving to a new city. You can actually lessen your burden by turning ChatGPT into your decision-making coach. Just ask it, I'm deciding between option A and option B. Ask me 5 questions to understand my values, then help me choose the best option using pros and cons. It won't just guess. It'll simulate your thinking, challenge your assumptions, and help you see the full picture objectively. You can even say, include emotional, financial, and lifestyle consequences. Prioritize based on long-term happiness. And the results. A breakdown so clear, it's like talking to a life coach and therapist in one. Number 2. The ultimate life planner combines scheduling, goals, and mindset coaching. Want to wake up with purpose, crush your daily goals, and stick to your habits? Just use this prompt on ChatGPT. Be my personal life coach. Every morning ask me, what are today's top 3 priorities? How will I stay focused? What habit am I building today? At night, check in. What worked? What didn't? And what's one thing to improve? Then, build a weekly plan. Based on these habits and goals, build a weekly schedule using time blocking. You can further enhance your experience by connecting your ChatGPT to Notion or Google Calendar through automation, Zapier. And now, you've got a real-time productivity system powered by advanced AI. Number 3, from brain dump to bulletproof to-do system. Most productivity advice says, just write a to-do list. But when you give ChatGPT a chaotic dump of tasks like finish taxes, call John, plan mom's birthday, fix the car, work on a side hustle, read that AI book, then prompt it with, organize these into categories, work, personal, urgent, assign priorities, and schedule them over 7 days. It will turn this chaos into a clean, manageable plan, with even time estimates and optional batching. You can go one level deeper, color code them for energy levels, high focus, medium focus, low effort. Boom! Now you're not just managing your time, you're optimizing your energy. And you can add anything to your productivity list. Number 4, the Smart Spreadsheet Wizard. No Excel degree needed. Well, this one is super duper. Extremely helpful for those who work a lot with Excel or spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are powerful, but intimidating. ChatGPT can break that barrier for you. You just have to say, here's my data paste table. I need a formula to calculate X, a trend analysis. Which one has sold the most? Which one has sold the least? Sales number of every model arranged in number. A visual summary for non-tech people. It'll generate formulas like hours SUMIFs, create pivot tables, and write insights like sales dropped in Q2 by 18%, possibly due to this certain context. This turns raw data into decisions, and you can even paste in CSVs from Google Ads, Shopify, or Airtable. Now tell me if you knew this before watching my video. Number 5, the ultimate skill learning engine, better than the most online courses. Tired of finding which course you should enroll in? Or it's also possible that you just can't understand what the instructors are talking about. Don't worry, just open your ChatGPT and instead of saying, teach me Python, say, create a 4-week beginner plan to learn Python specifically for automating daily tasks. Include daily exercises, small projects, and checkpoints. Assume I'm a total beginner. Want it for music production, dropshipping, Adobe Illustrator? ChatGPT will give you a curriculum, daily drills, YouTube resources, GitHub projects, and personalized suggestions based on your learning style. Just tell it, visual, auditory, or hands-on. You can even add quizzing checkpoints every 3 days to test if I'm actually learning. Congrats! You've just turned ChatGPT into your custom tutor. No need to spend money on cheap courses. Number 6, create your own AI freelance empire. Did you know that freelancers are secretly using ChatGPT to 10x output while charging normal rates? They tell their GPT, act like a SaaS copywriting expert. I'm writing a landing page for this product. Give me headline ideas, social proof elements, pain point sections, and a CTA. Or, you're a resume optimizer for tech jobs. Rewrite this for a senior backend engineer role at Google. Include impact metrics. Then you polish review and sell the results on Fiverr, Upwork, or Gumroad. You can even package your prompt system itself and sell that as a product. Well, isn't that great? Number 7, upload a PDF, turn it into your AI consultant. This one will really save you hours. And I mean it. How? Well, you might have that 45-page contract, don't you? That user manual? That medical research paper? Just upload it on ChatGPT by dragging and dropping it on the prompt box, and then say, summarize the key takeaways in 5 bullet points. What's the action I need to take? Highlight any confusing or risky parts. And if you want to go deeper, add this. Explain the legal jargon in paragraph 3, like I'm 12. What happens if I don't follow Section 5B? It's mind-blowing. Your quick-witted legal assistant, academic tutor, and translator all in one. And by using this, you don't have to focus on reading a lot of pages. Number 8, simulate future life scenarios. Visualize before you decide. Decision paralysis is real. Sometimes, people freeze and even fall ill because they are unable to decide what they should do. And if they make a decision, they fear what if something went wrong and regret they should have chosen the other option. But what if you could run a simulation? With ChatGPT, you can do this easily. Just say this. Simulate 3 possible futures. A, I move to Thailand for a year. B, I stay and get promoted. C, I freelance while traveling. For each, list pros, cons, hidden risks, emotional impact, and likely outcomes. You can also add, use the perspective of a therapist, economist, and future version of me. And voila, ChatGPT creates a multiverse of you, so you can test choices without regret, and at least know where your choices might lead you to. Number 9, build your own GPTs for specific use cases without coding. To do this, go to chat.openai.com GPT, and you can now build custom GPTs tailored to you. For example, a therapist GPT with your preferred tone and style, a travel agent that only shows destinations under 500, a storytelling buddy that helps you write fiction in your voice. You can upload files, write instructions, set rules, then share or even sell these GPTs. Some people are already making bank-selling niche ones like Legal AI for Landlords or Nutrition GPT for runners. Number 10, make money selling prompt packs and systems. Did you know there's a market now for high-quality prompts, workflows, and GPT templates? Gumroad, Etsy, and even your own website. Here's what you have to do. Create a prompt system like ChatGPT for Instagram growth or Automated Business Idea Validator. Write a guide. Package it into a Notion doc, PDF, or template. Sell it for $9 to $49. Use ChatGPT to help you write the product, build the landing page, and even create email marketing copy. You're literally building AI-powered digital assets, and once they're live, they can sell 24/7. And the best part is creating such systems doesn't take much time. All right, that was 10 ChatGPT power plays that can upgrade your brain, your business, and your whole life. Most people are using just 1% of what this thing can do. But you've got the tools now. Before leaving, do me one single favor. Hit that like button if you felt you learned something new. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're about to try any of these today.